It's 6:13 in the morning and you cannot see me because it's dark, but I'm on my way to work because what we're going to do today is head into Belfast just after work to get some bits and bobs, and then after that go to a Python talk from about 6 o'clock till 8 o'clock, and yeah, we're just gonna see what that's all about. Okay, we are just outside the train station. Again, it's hard to see because of the light, and I have to be honest with you, we're 15 minutes early and I'm sweating, and I have no Lynx Africa with me to sort that out, so it's gonna be a long day. We're in, and the train is empty. Class. The train is really loud. Walking down to get the bus so we can get to work. St. George's Market. I had to leave because some cut in front of me at the Starbucks line in the Belfast Lanyon Place, so I'm not fucking happy about that. So I'm not. So I'm on the glider. I'm not really sure what to expect from this this pie thing today. What I do expect is hopefully to learn something. It's basically about Pi packages and environments and things like that, and how Python packages are getting out of control. So yeah, we'll see. Headed to the office. It's a long corridor to walk down, full of doors that are all dark. But thankfully, we have some light. So we do. And it's hard to see, but you can just see it's just me and my arm. Yeah, I don't know what I'm allowed or not allowed to show in the office, so I'm just gonna show the coffee machine and me sitting down, and that's it. I'll ask Michael if he wants to say anything, but he might not. So here we go. The coffee's ready. Okay, it's 4:25, just finished. And almost going out into the dark again. It's the perks of working in the Northern Hemisphere in January. It's not too bad outside. It's still pretty light, but yeah, that's the innovation center. Fuck, I was looking for my phone and it's on my fucking hand. There we go. Right, so next stop Belfast City Centre, and then next stop after that, yeah, PyBelfast. But before we do that, Forbidden Planet and Starbucks. Okay, in Starbucks, you got the goods. En route now to the final destination, PyBelfast. I don't know where the fuck I'm going. Might have found it. There's the notorious McDonald's Belfast. Yeah. Have I found it? I think I have. It's called Slice. Hello. PyBelfast up in Slice. Thanks. Four in the lift. Oh my god. I don't like lifts. Here we go. That's that. On the train home. PyBelfast done and dusted. I will regroup my thoughts when I get home. Okay, so it's a couple of days after I have went to PyBelfast for the first time, and it was very good. One of the things that stood out to me was how well everyone presented and how comfortable everyone appeared to be talking in front of people. The very last presenter, Dan, he was very good in the way he was presenting, so much so that I decided to miss an earlier train just to finish hearing what he had to say. So that is a testament to how well these guys presented, and the setup was very good. Everyone was very welcoming, and I would encourage anyone who has never been to give it a go. And that's me. So if you liked this video, like it. If you didn't like it, dislike it. If you want to see more, subscribe. Yeah, that's me. Okay, bye.